Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Important disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Only perform the steps shown on your own networks or with the explicit permission of the network owner. Anything else is illegal. Today we'll show you how to efficiently crack WPA2 networks using Kali Linux and the latest tools. We'll use airmon-ng, Airodump-ng, and aireplay-ng for the handshake in a .cap file, and then convert it to the modern .hc22000 format using Hashcat. The real game changer. Instead of struggling with the old slow Aircrack-ng, we'll crack the hash professionally and many times faster with Hashcat. Stay with us, you'll see the full workflow in just a few minutes. Let's get started. We open a terminal. The following command searches for processes that might be interfering with the Wi-Fi interface, especially network manager, WPA_supplicant, declient, etc. It terminates these processes immediately and aggressively. And this command switches your WLAN interface WLAN 0 into monitor mode. Now we start Airodump-ng and restrict the scanning exclusively to the 5 GHz band. Here we see the output of Airodump-ng. In short, BSSID is the MAC address of the router. PWR equals signal strength, and dBm, the more negative, the weaker the signal. CH indicates the channel, ENC the encryption, and cipher the encryption algorithm. Further down, station displays the MAC addresses of the connected devices. Airodump-ng listens exclusively on channel 64 and only on the access point with the specified BSSID. All received packets, beacons, probes, data, handshakes are saved in files named hack-01.cap. This command is the classic Deauthentication attack, the most important step to force and intercept a WPA2 handshake. And now we see here that we have successfully captured a WPA handshake. Here is our hack-01.cap file with the valid handshake in our wordless file, which we will use to start the dictionary attack. Now we convert a normal .cap file generated by Airodump-ng into the modern Hashcat format .hc22000. Now Hashcat takes the WPA2 handshake opening parentheses .hc22000, tries all the passwords from rockyou.txt one after the other, uses the GPU to its maximum W3. Ignores warnings force. Doesn't save anything in the pod file and shows you every 5 seconds how fast it is running and how far it has progressed. It should be noted that Hashcat is 10 to 30 times faster than Aircrack-ng, often even 50 times faster. Now we can look at the current status, which is cracked. The Wi-Fi password should be written here. I'll write all the commands again in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.